Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video I'll be talking about Sentinel, that is a Zerodha's application which will help you to alert the stock price whenever it reaches your desired price. Okay, so I'll be teaching you how to set these alerts, and also I'll be showing you live demonstration video like how I set the alert on it and how the alert got executed for me and how it's shown it for me. So I'll be showing you all these things in the video, so make sure you watch this video till the end and learn how you can set the alerts for your stocks for the desired price. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure hit the subscribe button and also hit on the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips and lot of things regarding stock market in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. And also, if you're new to the stock market, if you're having loss and if you want to recover the loss and want to learn how to make money constantly in the stock market, you can join my course. The course price are very less and reasonably priced. The details are in my blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. You can visit this link to know all the details. The link is in the given description below of this video. Okay, and also here you can see feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. So in the earning proof, you can go inside it and watch all my clients how they're earning constantly after joining my course with the ledger proof. So many clients got into my trading program and now they're making money constantly, and whatever the loss they had, they recovered the loss and they're making money constantly in stock market trading. So you can watch all of these things in the ledger proof displayed in my earning proof in the link. Okay, and also not only that, you can see feedback from my clients after taking the course also, even that message has been displayed here. So you can go through all of these things. Okay, so all the feedback messages has been displayed here. So if you're interested to join us to make money constantly like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course. So guys, now I'll be talking about Sentinel, like how you can place the alert or something. So once you give it, so once you go near a stocks, you get an option called as more here. So that's a three dot. It's displayed like this with the three dots, so make sure to click on it. So once you click on it, you'll get an option called as set alert. So this is how you use it. So once you click on set alert, it will show you alert me when last started price of the stock name will be already added here, or you can also change whatever the stock name you want by going here. Okay, and now we get option like when it's a greater than or greater than equal to, or lesser than or lesser than equal to, or equals. Okay, so you can just type whatever the value you want here. Okay, so you can just type at what value you need the order or trigger to be executed, I mean the trigger alert to be given. So you can just type that right here, so that time you will get an alert of the stock. Okay, so let's say you want at some desired price and you just type your name here, like the alert name like buy or sell or whatever you want. So once you create that order, so once it executes, I mean once the value comes, you will be alerted in the Zerodha here. Okay, so I have made a video on that, so that video will come now. We can watch it and see how the order will get triggered, I mean how the order will get give you the alert. Okay, so it will give you the alert only and you should place the order by your own. So that's how it gives you the alert. Okay, so now you can see that live video. So guys, now I'll be showing you how you can place the Sentinel alert for your trading. Okay, so for example, today I'll be picking a Tata Motor, and once you pick any stock, just go on these three dots, that's a more option, click on that and go to set alert. Okay, so once you click on set alert, you get this option here, so where you can set the alert for the stock, so it will be automatically detected when you do from here. Okay, so no need to search for stock again or put the list. So here is the already loaded. Now you can place that at what value you need a trigger. For example, you can click it as equal or lesser than equal to, or less than or greater than equal to, or greater than. So now let me try the equal values, that is I'll giving a proper value where I should get a trigger. Okay, so for example, now the stock is at 268.45. So let me say I want the alert at 55. Okay, that is 268.55. I'll be telling this trigger as startup buy. Okay, so if it goes to that side, I'll get a alert as startup buy. Okay, so let's click on create and it is startup buy, it has been created here. Okay, so now let's wait for the order. Okay, I mean let's wait for the trigger. It will show, I'll be displaying you for you guys in this video. I'll be showing you this. So it's at 50 now. Once it reaches 55, we'll get an alert. In the meantime, I'll show you how you can set the alert of the sell also. So let me set the alert for one sell order, that is again let's give equal to. Okay, so it has read the 55 and yes, here we go, here we got the signal that is started by triggered at 11:59:21 second 3rd September 2018. So this is how you'll be get alerted. Okay, so let's go to visit Sentinel, and you can see here it has triggered once. Okay, so it is telling you this has triggered one time. It's very good option that this kite has this option, so that you can get your triggers alert very automatically and be alert on your trading. Okay, so this is how it works. So this is a live demonstration what I showed you guys. So hope this was helpful for you. So thank you guys for watching this video. So this was an education video like how to use a Sentinel. So hope this was helpful for you. So do give a like for this video if you guys liked it. Okay, and also you can go inside my channel and watch all the videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategy, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So make sure you go inside it and watch all this video and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. So thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one.